Actually, it looks that good. I might have it on toast when I get home. Whoa, fresh bait. See, Sam? Whoa. You know. Hey, it doesn't come in a lucky bag, does it? Angler is angler, isn't it? Anglers and danglers. Look at this, catch of the day. Right?
Oh, double header.
Oh. You wouldn't
Don't even need to hook them, we just wrap them. Oi! Hi guys and welcome back to Wild Seas. Today we're out fishing with Phil on Phil's boat. It's a Merry Fisher 655 Marlin. It's the first trip out this year. It's been out of the water over winter. It's had a freshen up, new coat of paint, polish up. We've done loads of bits to it. It's all minted up, ready for fishing this season. And yeah, today we're out. It's the first trip out. We just want to go out and catch some fish. We're not after anything in particular, but we're anchored up at the moment in a sandy bay. So we're going to hope some rays perhaps. Might see some flatfish too if we're lucky. We had a stop off earlier and we caught some fresh bait. We've had loads of mackerel, loads of fresh lawns. So we're cutting those up, using slivers of those for bait, putting them down on the bottom on running ledges. We're just sat in the tide at the minute, so that scent from the fresh bait is going to be running down the tide, hopefully bringing fish up to our baits. Hopefully we'll hook up, have some fun with some fish. We'll see how we get on. Let's go. These are nice thin strips of mackerel. Just taking a fillet of mackerel off. Oh, just a nice thin sliver. Just like that. It's going to sit on the bottom, flutter in the tide. Send plenty of fresh scent down the tide, hopefully bring the fish up to the bait. I'm just going to nick that on. Just going to take a little bit of this flesh off. I like to have a slightly thinner bait. Just sits in the tide a little better, rolls around a little easier. Very flexible, very limp. I'm just going to take my hook, got a 1/0 hook here. Going to literally nick it through the end. Nice sharp hook. Go sit in the tide nice and straight, not spinning around. Pull the fish up.
Lovely. Fish on?
Fish on.
Oh.
Oh.
Do you reckon, Liam? Little ray?
Maybe a little ray. Could be a dogfish. Hopefully not. Oh no. Oh no.
It's not.
Oh no. Ah. It's a dog.
Great start, mate.
Can only get better. Hopefully.
Look at that. First little ray of the day. Tiny little blonde ray. Beautiful little markings on him. Hopefully there's some bigger ones out there. Let's get back.
What?
We got a bite.
I had a bite. He's playing with it. Not come back yet. Strange. Leave it. Just leave it down.
Mystery.
Playing with it.
He's back.
He's back. Come on. Yeah.
Oh. Fish on.
Fish on.
Oh.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Dog?
Good and Liam.
It's not a dog this time. I reckon we're into a ray, yeah?
Do you want a net?
Not yet. Nice if it's a big place of turbot. We can only hope. That's a ray. There it comes.
You need the net?
Doubt it.
Come on, couldn't.
Turbot, get the net.
Oh, nice turbot.
Beauty.
Come on. Yes, turbot. I said, didn't I? I
Well
said
done,
it would be
Liam.
nice if it was a turbot.
Yeah.
It's a nice turbot. Come on. I've had much bigger than that.
Have you not?
No. All the ones I've had have always been small. PB turbot. It's not a monster, but I've only had small ones before, so well happy with that. We'll give it away. Got a lovely turbot. Caught on the bottom, fresh strip of mackerel. Mackerel that we caught a minute ago. This little fella couldn't resist. It's actually my PB turbot. I've not had one this size before. I mean, they get much, much bigger. You know, they'll get over 20 pounds, these flatfish, but we just don't see them that size down here. But yeah, this one weighed just over 4 pounds, so really happy with that. A lot of the ones I've caught before have been pretty small, about a pound or two. But yeah, this one's a nice chunky one. Very ray-like. Very ray-like. Come on, power off with it. Ooh, you have to have a look.
Got him? Yeah. Bending.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh. I think that's a ray. Oh yeah. This one's kicking off, mate.
Oh. Got drag pulling, are we?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Lovely. Bit more weight to this one.
Bigger brother.
Bit more weight. Might be a nice small eyed or a blob.
Might be a £6 brill.
Oh,
Let's go and see.
Oh yeah. Hauling.
oh yeah. We'll have some fun. Light rod. Get it bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kicking. Right. Woo. Kicking off this fish. Looks like a good fish. Revved up, whatever it is. Don't want to get over all those lines. See colour.
Yeah?
Yeah, it also looks
at
like
that.
it's over all these
Oh,
lines.
hello. This one. Hang on. Here it comes, Phil.
Yeah. Ooh, that looks nice.
Does look like
Beauty.
Bit of a better fish.
blonde.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
What, Phil?
Hey.
Yes.
In the net.
Much better.
Oh, nice blonde rate. Give me a good fight on the light rod. 6 to 12 pound Penn Regiment solid carbon rod, bends really well with these fellas. Lovely fish. Picked up that strip of mackerel on the bottom again. Got a little bit of tide running. These guys are sniffing out the scent in the tide, coming up and finding the bait, giving us some good fun.
Back she goes. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, nice and clear, Ange.
Not a small one. All went a bit quiet for a minute or two then. Bill was telling me a funny story.
Trying to.
And this rod just shot off. Another small fish, I think. Lovely though. Right. Forcing them up. There she is. Another little blonde.
That's beautiful, that.
Sexy little blonde.
Lovely,
What?
Sam.
Getting slime on me extra toughs. Get it out. Beautiful. Straight back.
It's great when you get older and what have you, and I just love getting old, and I'm enjoying my life so much. You know, we'll go out fishing with lads on here and what have you, it's great. But I've just been struggling, just at this moment in time. I think it's all comes to age that people I've talked to. When you go into the toilet, you know, for a pee, the flow isn't as strong as what it used to be when you were in your 20s. So I went to the doctors and I just had to have a word with him, just peace of mind really. And when I went in, he said, "What's wrong, Phil?" I said, "Well," I said, "I have a pee every morning at 8 o'clock. And he said, "What's wrong with that?" I said, "I don't wake up till 9. Hey, and Liam thinks I should be on stage, sweeping it. Yeah, and this is stuff we do when we're out fishing on wild seas when we get bored. Because all I seem to do these days is net Liam's fish.
Yeah.
And I hate him.
Oh, I got a bite.
Yeah,
No!
Get that net ready.
Oh, no way.
Come on. Swimming up tide with it. It's got to be a ray.
Oh, look.
That's it.
What do you reckon, Phil, to that?
I think it's a dogfish. I hope it's a dogfish.
Might need the net, Phil. You're going to have to get that net out.
Yeah, I think you can get it yourself.
Phil, it's what a bent rod looks like.
No. I think it's a spider crab.
That bit of bait on the end of my rod. Where'd that come from?
I think that's me. Bending.
Bending. Slowly coming up.
Do we need the net for this one?
No, a little bit of weight there, I think. Maybe 3 or 4 pounds. It's not very big.
Oh, sun's come out lovely as well.
Beautiful.
Wrapped up.
Good on Liam.
It's a little
Just got
blonde
wrapped
ray.
a bit.
Small blonde. Still a good fight on the light rods. Those Penn solid carbon rods, they bend really well even with the small stuff, so great sport. Yeah, lovely little blonde ray again. And have a look. Just picked up that strip of mackerel. Just hooked in the corner of the mouth. Pops out dead easy.
Now this is a new bait.
What bait you put on, Phil?
It is a sand eel flapper.
Whoa! We all laugh, but joke's on us.
Oh,
He's only pulled out a fish. Does this mean I'm going to have to get in the net this time?
I wonder if it's a bull this.
Pull us?
Hey, he's put bended rod.
Oh yeah. People laugh. Have you got that net, Liam?
I've got in there. There's still one from your hands.
And that took, as we were winding in that,
I think you just caught up with it. I think it like sat on the bait and you can see it. You can see some of it, a bit of
I
colour.
wound it in quite a bit.
There's a bit of weight there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got an audience
on.
coming.
Big on.
Just on time,
Yeah.
just in time.
Big
Yeah.
on for Phil.
We hadn't stopped catching. He's only on sand eel flappers.
Hey, Kieran, just put your head in water and frighten fish over here, mate.
Go on, boy.
Fish on, come on. He's coming. Oh, he's right down there, hopefully in over these lines.
Yeah, he's
Might
over
just be over Sam's. Keep going, let's see. Just caught in the tide.
I think it's.
No, it's coming.
To something.
No, it's coming.
No,
It's a
it's
good
coming.
fish. It's a nice blonde. Well, it could be a nice small eye. That's it. You got him.
It's
Nice,
coming.
Phil. It's good fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a nice fish.
Whoa.
Kicking off.
Darted
Yeah, nice blonde.
in the net. Whoa, barely fits in there, boys. Alright, no long shank. Whoa.
Oh, we're happy with that.
And there's the bait.
Whoa, let's see that.
Hang on.
Now this is a new method. The sand eel flapper.
Sand eel flapper.
And they were laughing at me when I was putting that in. Look at the result. Hey,
Well, I'll give you that one.
yeah, sand eel flapper, mate.
I'll give you that one.
Take some licking. Where am I?
Yeah, nice male. That hooks nicely in the mouth.
Oh, look, beauty, look at that. And what I always use, barbless hooks.
Ooh.
It's a quick, easy release on the fish. If they swallow it, you can get it out. If it sticks in your claws, they come out. And if you have kids on board and it goes in their arm or their head, it comes out. And they're not screaming. Makes sense.
Nice fish, mate.
Beauty.
Can hold it up and have a.
Yeah.
So it's a nice male blonde ray. About 9-10.
How's that one?
Oh, it's looking beautiful, Phil.
That is sand eel flapper. Done by Uncle Phil. But it's the way you cut it. You've got to do it a certain way. Not like these two idiots I've got side of me. You know, who are boring. Just catching stuff on mackerel strips. Go something different.
Do something different.
Do something different. If nothing's working, try something different. Back to basics. Not like Liam. Look at that beauty. Gonna do, just let it go. Beauty. There she goes.
Oh.
There he goes. All unarmed. Back down. We'll see another day hopefully.
Well done, Phil.
Nice one, Phil.
Well, thank you lads.
Nice one.
Always a
Slow start.
pleasure.
So there we go, that's us done for the day. It's been a fairly productive day. It's not been prolific fishing, but we've caught fish. That's what we come out here to do, catch some fish, have some fun, put some bends in the rods. And yeah, we've done that. We started off on the sand fishing, anchored up, caught some rays, we had blondes, we had small eyes, caught a few dogfish as well. I had that nice turbot as well, which I'm really happy about. And we've come back in, we've just had a few drifts over some clean ground. I've managed to pick up a place, but again, it's been pretty quiet. Sort of been expected today. We've got very small tides. Fishing hasn't been all that great in the last few days. There's a lot of algae in the water, so it's a little slower at the minute. But we're at that time of the year where things are changing, and hopefully week on week it's going to start getting better and better. And we hope you guys are going to keep watching the videos on our fishing trips. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow our adventures. Hopefully we're going to make plenty of catches. Hopefully you'll see us catch some really awesome fish, and you may learn some tips along the way. Okay guys, thanks for watching.